How to disable file filtering in Versus Code Sidebar, Explorer. On Visual Studio Code v1.32.3 on Mac OS, and for at least a few versions before this, I am often unable to create files and folders in the sidebar via the default key mappings of A and Shift+A, and instead am greeted with a file search filter. Typing a brings up this filter instead of launching the Create File input under the selected folder. Restarting code restores the file and folder creation behavior for some time, then seemingly out of nowhere the filter behavior takes over again, so I imagine there must be some other key shortcut I'm hitting that toggles the filter behavior. I don't see any mappings in the default key bindings for those keys that suggest the search filter behavior is intended. I've tried searching the preferences for Explorer, Sidebar, and Filter but can't find any reference to this filter feature. So finally my question, how can I restore the file and folder creation behavior or completely disable this filtering behavior? I'm quite happy with cmd+p for finding files. Or is this a bug? Happy to post issue on GitHub if so.
As of 2022, the older answers don't work. The easiest solution is to update the key bindings. Here is how. Open the keybindings.json from keyboard shortcut settings. K+S. Remove the existing setting for list support find. When you search for list support find, there are two settings. Please delete the CMD plus F1, this is how it looks now. Thanks to a trained musician for the answer above. Hope the description helps you fix it quickly.
As of Code 1.33.1 the option is a bool, workbench.list.automatic keyboard navigation : false. Edit. This setting has been deprecated, see discussion below for possible solutions. Will update when resolved. Tomazella's answer isn't working anymore in 2022. Bradonomics mentions modifying the key binding. There probably are two matches if you search for list support find. I've deleted the CMD plus F1 and it's all good now. Here is a screenshot of key bindings after deleting one of the two shortcuts.
UPDC Tomazella's answer. Old use this setting workbench.list.keyboard navigation, simple and then reload window. Source.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.